Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video we will talk about the man command in Linux. Man command is used to show all manual of inputted command. So the keyword man is used, and after the man the command which we want description is used. So I just go to the start menu and enter the Cygwin, that is a window based Linux environment terminal. So here I just type the man keyword, and after that man keyword I want to show the manual of ls command. So when I enter, then it shows me all the manual and with description of the ls command, that is -a, -t and up to so on. You will see and try one by one. Okay, now I want to show the manual description of another command. Okay, that is mv move. Then you see that all the manual description are now displayed of the move command. So by man command we will use to show all the description. We can check the description of command. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.